Hey everyone, imagine you're driving, and suddenly, your gear shifts become erratic. The transmission hesitates, struggles to engage, or even gets stuck. You scan for trouble codes and P0916 pops up. This code indicates a gate select position circuit issue, which can cause shifting failures and serious transmission problems. In this video, I'll explain the causes, show you exactly where the sensor is located, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. What is DTC P0916? DTC P0916 means there's a problem with the gate select position circuit. This circuit monitors the position of the gate selector, ensuring smooth gear transitions. If it malfunctions, your vehicle might struggle to find the right gear, or worse, refuse to shift at all. Common symptoms of P0916: harsh or delayed gear shifts. Gear shift lever feels stiff or unresponsive. Check engine light on. Transmission stuck in a single gear, limp mode, transmission warning light activated. Sensor and component location, very important. Gate select position sensor. Location, mounted on the transmission housing near the shift linkage. Connected to the shift selector mechanism. Transmission Control Module TCM. Location, found near the battery, under the dashboard, or inside the transmission case. Wiring harness and connectors. Location, runs between the gate select position sensor and the TCM. Typically attached along the transmission casing, under the vehicle. Check your vehicle's service manual for exact sensor locations. What causes P0916? Faulty gate select position sensor. The sensor isn't correctly detecting the gear position. Wiring or connector issues. Loose, corroded, or broken wires can disrupt signals. Transmission Control Module TCM failure. A bad TCM may misinterpret gear shift data. Blown fuse or relay. Power supply disruptions can affect sensor function. Mechanical issues in the transmission. Blocked or worn-out components can prevent shifting. How to fix P0916? Step 1. Inspect wiring and connectors. Check for frayed or corroded connections. Step 2. Test the gate select position sensor. Use a diagnostic tool to check its response. Step 3. Check the transmission control module TCM. Scan for additional error codes. Step 4. Replace faulty fuses or relays. Ensure a steady power supply. Step 5. Manually inspect the shift mechanism. Look for physical damage or obstructions. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Reset the system and check for improvements. Final words. Ignoring P0916 can lead to complete transmission failure. Fixing it early can prevent costly repairs. For more OBD-II error codes, check out these videos. P0698. Sensor reference voltage circuit low. P0699. Sensor reference voltage circuit high. This is IG Garage, your trusted source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.